Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Advanced English for Free. Today, let's focus on refining our English language skills. Tess, could you share a sentence with us?
Hi Riaz, I'm doing goodly today.
Hi Tess. It's great that you're doing well. However, instead of goodly, we should use well here. Well is the adverb form to describe how you're doing.
Excellent correction, Riaz. Tess, remember that good is an adjective, but when describing an action or how you're doing, we use the adverb well.
Oh, I see. I speak English more fluently than last year.
Good effort, Tess. However, the correct form is more fluent instead of more fluently. Fluent is already an adverb, so there's no need for the additional "ly."
That's right, Riaz. Tess, some adverbs, like fluently, don't require an extra "ly" when used in comparisons.
Got it. I need to practice my writing more good.
Almost there, Tess. When talking about improving your writing, say more well instead of more good. Well is the adverb we use to describe how someone does something.
Great clarification, Riaz. Tess, keep in mind that good is an adjective, and in this context, we're looking for the adverb form, which is well.
Thanks, Riaz and instructor. I'll remember to choose my words more carefully.
You're welcome, Tess. Practice using adverbs, and you'll see improvement in no time.
Absolutely, Tess. Learning from mistakes is part of the journey. Keep practicing, and you'll master English adverbs. Subscribe to Advanced English for Free for more amazing videos like this one.